In this video, we will be talking about the placebo effect, control groups, and the double-blind experiment. A placebo is known as a fake treatment. It could be known as a fake pill, drink, lotions, or any type of treatment that is known to have no medical effect. However, a placebo may have psychological effects. These psychological effects are known as the placebo effect. By believing and expecting something to work, it will work. For example, if you believe that a pill will make you feel better, then it will make you feel better, even if the pill is fake. In other words, the pill is a placebo. If you think that the same placebo will make you feel sad, then it will make you feel sad. This is the placebo effect. Placebos can be used for a control group. The control group receives the placebo as a treatment. In other words, the control group receives a fake treatment. Now, why would you want a control group? A control group gives you something to compare your results with. So suppose an unknown company were giving pills to people at the gym to help them gain strength. After 1 month of treatment, 75% of the people taking the pills report that their strength has increased. Does this mean that the pill was the cause? No. So far, this is an observational study. We cannot say for sure. Maybe there are lurking variables that are present, like diet and the type of workout routine. Some people may have better diets or workout routines, which may have allowed them to become significantly stronger than everyone else. This is why we need a control group. We could randomly assign participants into 2 groups. One group will be the control group, and the other group will be the experimental group. Each group will have to get the same thing. So each group will receive the same diet, each group will have the same workout routine, and each group will get the same amount of sleep, and etc. The only thing that is different between these 2 groups is that the experimental group receives a pill and the control group receives a placebo. A good placebo should look and taste like the actual pill. If the percentage of people in the experimental group significantly gain more strength than the people in the control group, then we can say that the pill is actually the cause for gaining strength. You can think of the control group as just doing nothing to it. We have the placebo for humans because we can perceive things psychologically. If instead our experimental units were plants, which lack a nervous system and the ability to perceive things psychologically, then we don't really need a placebo. So the experimental group of plants receives the treatment and the control group gets absolutely nothing. And then we would compare the results from the experimental group and the control group. Going back to our first example, if the control group knows that they are receiving the placebo, then this will obviously eliminate the placebo effect and it may skew the results. We need an equal playing field, where neither group knows if they got the placebo or if they got the actual treatment. To prevent bias in the manipulation of results, the experimenter should also not know which group is which. This setup is called the double-blind experiment, where the experimenter and the subjects do not know which of the groups being studied is the experimental group and which of the groups is the control group. The double-blind experiment is good for eliminating biased research results.